Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 31st July. And first of all, national news. US President announced on Wednesday a 25% tariff on goods imported from India starting August 1. Railways to get 17,000 non AC coaches in next 5 years. Railway Minister. India, United Arab Emirates agreed to elevate defense ties. Blocked 1,400 anti-India URLs during Operation Sindoor, government. Only two UAPA cases filed between 2018 and 2022 quashed, government. India-US NISAR satellite successfully launched. Now international news. Tech pharma among six sectors likely to be hit by Trump's 25% tariffs on India. From Tariff King to Big Charger, Trump's comments on trade with India. 8.8 magnitude earthquake sent tsunami into coast of Russia, Japan, US. Decoding tsunamis and their warnings, most think of tsunamis as one wave. Stay strong, safe, Trump's message after tsunami warning to US Pacific coast. UK air traffic controller read-in app technical issue briefly caused flight delays. UK air traffic controller. Apocalypse: Gaza faced famine-like crisis because of acute food shortage. India stressed humanitarian aid, ceasefire, dialogue, diplomacy for Gaza. India-UK ties to grow bigger, broader, deeper under Vision 2035. Volcano erupted in Russia's Far East after massive earthquake. Chinese submersible discovered deepest ever creatures 10 km undersea in Mariana Trench. Now sports news. Brendan Taylor added to Zimbabwe squad after completing ICC ban. Confirmed as strategic partners for the 100 teams. 4 IPL team owners confirmed as strategic partners for the 100 teams. Lakshya Sen, Ayush Shetty, Tharun Manepalli and Rakshita Ramraj entered second round of Macau Open. Now news related to business. Income Tax Department enabled online filing of ITR form number 3. US President Donald Trump announced a 25% plus tariffs on India. And that's all in news. Thank you.